Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at this problem here. So this problem might seem pretty tricky at first, but it is simply just lowest common multiples. So how can we approach this problem? While the fractions seem kind of scary, this question is a bit weird. You have to find the LCM of those fractions, and of course using the formula for LCM, which I will state here. Now square brackets means LCM and normal parentheses means GCF, or greatest common greatest common factor. So this should be what it looks like. Now this formula here needs to get corrected. So we have this formula here. Now the thing is, right, these numbers are huge, and finding the greatest common might take some time, right? It's not very ideal, but sometimes you just have to do it that way. You have no other choice. So we're going to just find the factors. So the common factor of all three of them you can find by finding the first two, then the one from the first two with the one from the last. So we get this. Okay? We get 1410 is our lowest common multiple. So it will be 1410 seconds when they meet again. And since Alice, right, will have run 141 over 10, so when you divide like this, you get this equal to 100 laps, which is the N1E here, and that is our brilliant answer. Now the main thing about this one is that you actually have to do a big calculation, which is a bit weird, but in the real exams you probably won't need to do such a huge calculation. It will be slightly smaller, but you might have to notice some patterns. In this case, they are very common, these numbers are pretty common. So that's why it works. Okay, and hope you guys to see you next one. This video is indeed kind of short, but we shall see you in the next one. Please subscribe, and goodbye.